Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you for a walk through one of the busy neighborhood streets right here in Yangon, Myanmar. Just look at this place, it's always bustling with people. There's so much life and energy here. As I'm walking along, I notice there are plenty of street vendors lining the sidewalks. They race selling all kinds of delicious snacks from freshly fried samosas to steaming bowls of mohinga. People just stop by, grab a bite, and continue on their way. It's amazing how everyone's eating, chatting, and moving at the same time. It's such a lively street food culture. On the other side, there are small clothing shops, too. You can find traditional Myanmar lingeries, colorful dresses, and all sorts of clothing for men and women. Locals and tourists alike love to pop in, check out the fabrics, and maybe try on something new. It's like a little fashion market mixed right in with the street food stalls. This neighborhood street is always alive. It's part of what makes Yangon so special. The mix of people, food, culture, and daily hustle and bustle. You really get to see the heart of the city here. You can find traditional Myanmar lingeries, colorful dresses, and all sorts of clothing for men and women. Locals and tourists alike love to pop in, check out the fabrics, and maybe try on something new. It's like a little fashion market mixed right in with the street food stalls. This neighborhood street is always alive. It's part of what makes Yangon so special. The mix of people, food, culture, and daily hustle and bustle. You really get to see the heart of the city here. It's around 3 p.m. and the temperature is 28 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am at Kamai township of Yangon. Let's enjoy watching the video. This township is approximately 8 kilometers far from downtown Yangon. You can come here by bus number 82. Bus fare is 300 kyat. This is one of the busiest road in Yangon. This is Insane Road in Kamal Township. Yangon University is located beside this road. Most of the students come here in the afternoon. They get together and chit chat while eating. There are lots of street food stalls beside this footpath. You can get various kinds of food such as seafood, Burmese traditional food, and snacks. It's a crowded atmosphere now. These are some sea fish. People are enjoying street food here. These are takoyaki. These are Myanmar traditional street food. It's really a very busy atmosphere. Various meatball and sausage here. This is Insane Road in Kamal Township. These are Myanmar traditional street food, noodles and mohinga. As you can see, these girls are taking street food. Fruit stall, jackfruit, Korea sausage. Coconut here. People are enjoying their Sunday life here. Most of the students come here with friends. They get together, chit chat while eating street food. As you can see, these girls are eating noodles. This lady is cleaning the street. Smoking is injurious for health. These are fruit stalls. This man is frying field cricket. This is one kind of insect. These are potato chips. This lady is preparing potato chips. This is people's life atmosphere in Yangon. As you can see, people are taking Myanmar traditional street food mohinga. This is a healthy soup. This man is preparing sausage. These are chicken leg salad. Myanmar boys and girls are taking salad with friends. As you can see, this is a big crowd here. These are glass noodles. These is a tilapia fish barbecue. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Video 身體有。